Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel u.s blogs. This is my fourth video. Today I'll give you details about our journey to Nusa Penida, a beautiful island with crystal clear beaches and breathtaking tourist spots. We stopped at the local shop for a quick and cheap food below 100 rupees. Let's start our journey. Here is the cab owner. After reaching Sanur, we paid him the cab fee and thanked him. But he picked up one of our luggage and insisted that he would accompany us to the cruise desk. Actually, people here are very friendly and helpful. They would help willingly even if you refuse. There are multiple cruise options available. We choose El Rey and it costs 750 rupees per person for round trip. As you see, to get into the cruise, we have to walk into the water. So you can wear some slippers and shorts as per your comfort.
Kuning hitam mereka sasaran oke itu তুমি পাইছিলা ন অলরেডি তুমি পাইছিলা ন ভালকৈ
কোনটা আছে এনেকা নাম নাই এটা খুলছে আৰু Finally, we got into the cruise and we are headed for the beautiful island. It felt so good to feel the warm water currents of the blue Indian Ocean, but suddenly I realized my mistake. I imagined a horror scene of a shark jumping and chopped on my hand, and immediately I pulled my hand back inside. Finally, we have reached and the cruise is preparing to dock. Now we'll go to our previously booked hotel Namaste Bungalow, a small and cheap property but with all the necessary amenities costing around 1500 rupees per day. We reached in the afternoon around 3 pm. After taking some rest, we went to see sunset in the Crystal Bay Beach, 1.5 km distance from our property. This place had a very pleasant view at night with the moon shine brighter just above our rooms, and it was one of a kind experience in my lifetime. Next morning, after the breakfast in the Jungle restaurant, again we headed to the Crystal Bay Beach for some fun. We had hired a bike at the dock of Nusa Penida for 200 rupees per day for our 2 days stay. It was very surprising that people are so honest and have so much faith in the tourists. This beach is famous for its crystal clear water. It is good for swimming, but in this part the currents are very strong, especially when we reached. It was a full moon and tides were high. It's only recommended for good swimmers. We enjoyed a lot. We spent the whole morning till afternoon. There are some snorkeling points right in front of those boat station over that area. My husband wanted to buy for some water sports, but after feeling the strong currents, I did not have the gut for snorkeling. We abandoned our plan and straight away head for the Kelinking Beach, around 30 minutes bike ride from this point. These are some of the breathtaking peaks from the Kelinking Beach. Kelinking Beach, locally known as Pantai Kelinking, is one of the most iconic and recognizable tourist attraction in all of the Nusa Island. About to reach the spot, but before that we have to buy a parking ticket.
Not please, thank you. This is for entry and then you get back outside.
There are many parking spots available. We will park our bike here and hike up to the attractive spots. From here, only we can see the cool and blue Indian Ocean below the hill slopes. Now let's move to the original spots from where we can see the Kelinking Beach properly. It resembles the shape of a dinosaur lying when we see from above. Look at the beautiful beach, white sand and crystal blue refreshing water. Actually, we can hike down to that beach from the hill terrace right here. Unfortunately, we did not bring hiking shoes and proper gears, and also the beach was closed because of high tide. There is also hiking option available down that hill line. There are already some tourists trekking down there to get some awesome view and peaks. Now we'll go for trekking.
Only one day and then close.
From here, the view of the Kelinking Beach is more better. We had our cruise at 3 p.m. back to Sanur. Sanur is a place where we can have lot of seafoods at very cheap prices. We ordered a seafood platter, rice, a grilled tuna and mutton stew, all for ₹800. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and be happy. May Almighty bless us all with good health.